Hello and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop with Dr. Barami Kyowishai. Today we are going to look at the distribution function in the Spoken BNC 2014. When you search for a word, phrase, or grammatical feature in the BNC, apart from looking at the frequency in the whole BNC, you might want to look at its frequency across different sections. This is because words, phrases, or grammatical features are unevenly distributed due to variation across social variables of speakers. Looking at frequency distribution across different sections in the BNC can offer insights into variation and the influence of social contexts. So, let's get started. First, you have to log on to the BNC 2014 and then type in the search term. So let's type the word int. Okay, please note the spacing here. We need a space here. And then start query. And next, okay, if you go to the drop-down menu on the top right, okay, you can select distribution. And then if you want to look at how people of different social groups use the word and, you need to change the display distribution of to speaker categories. Now the software shows the frequency of ain't used by different social groups of speakers based on age range, dialect, educational qualification, gender, and social class. The table shows the categories in each group and also the size of each category, okay, the number of hits, okay, that means how many times the search term is used in each category, okay, and also the dispersion or the number of people who use the word ain't. And finally, it also shows you the frequency per million words. You can also notice that each category is not of the same size, okay? And that is the reason while looking at the frequency per million words is a better way of comparing across different categories. And also another thing to notice is that sometimes only one person uses it a lot, so it's important also to look at dispersion as well, okay, because if there's just one person, the use might be due to an individual style rather than social identity. You can also sort the result by clicking on the red arrow, okay. So for instance, in the age range, if you want to sort the results based on the frequency per million words, click on the arrow right here and then click OK. And here the results are arranged from the highest to the lowest frequency. Furthermore, you can present the findings in the bar chart format. If you go to the Shown As tab right here, and then you can change from distribution table to bar chart. And now you can see the differences more easily in the bar chart format. Okay. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, goodbye.